Hello everyone. The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk is a 4-blade, twin-engine, medium-lift utility military helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. Sikorsky submitted the S-70 design for the United States Army's Utility Tactical Transport Aircraft System competition in 1972. The Army designated the prototype as the UH-60A and selected the Black Hawk as the winner of the program in 1976 after a fly-off competition with the Boeing Vertol UH-61, named after the Native American war leader Black Hawk. The UH-60A entered service with the U.S. Army in 1979 to replace the Belleau-1 Iroquois as the Army's tactical transport helicopter. This was followed by the fielding of electronic warfare and special operations variants of the Black Hawk. Improved UH 60-liter and UH-60M utility variants have also been developed. Modified versions have also been developed for the U.S. Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. In addition to U.S. Army use, the UH-60 family has been exported to several nations. Black Hawks have served in combat during conflicts in Grenada, Panama, Iraq, Somalia, the Balkans, Afghanistan, and other areas in the Middle East. The UH-60 features 4-blade main and tail rotors and is powered by 2 General Electric T700 turboshaft engines. The main rotor is fully articulated and has elastomeric bearings in the rotor head. The tail rotor is canted and features a rigid crossbeam. The helicopter has a long, low-profile shape to meet the Army's requirement for transporting aboard a C-30 Hercules. With some disassembly, it can carry 11 troops with equipment, lift 2,600 pounds, 1,200 kilograms of cargo internally, or 9,000 pounds, 4,100 kilograms of cargo for UH 60-liter/M. Externally bisling. The Black Hawk helicopter series can perform a wide array of missions, including the tactical transport of troops, electronic warfare, and aeromedical evacuation. A VIP version known as the V-60 Newton is used to transport important government officials, e.g. Congress, executive departments, with the helicopter's call sign of Marine One when transporting the President of the United States. In air assault operations, it can move a squad of 11 combat troops or reposition a 105mm M119 howitzer with 30 rounds ammunition and a foreman crew in a single lift. The Black Hawk is equipped with advanced avionics and electronics for increased survivability and capability, such as the Global Positioning System. The UH-60 can be equipped with stub wings at the top of the fuselage to carry fuel tanks or various armaments. The initial stub wing system is called External Store Support System S. It has 2 pylons on each wing to carry 2 230 US gal 870 liters and 2 450 US gal 1,700 liters tanks in total. The 4 fuel tanks and associated lines and valves form the external extended range fuel systemers. Citation needed US. Army UH-60s have had their S modified into the crash-worthy external fuel system CEFS configuration, replacing the older tanks with up to 4 total 200 US gal 760 liters crash-worthy tanks along with self-sealing fuel lines. The S can also carry 10,000 pounds 4,500 kilograms of armament such as rockets, missiles, and gun pods. The S entered service in 1986. However, it was found that the 4 fuel tanks obstruct the field of fire for the door guns. Thus, the external tank system S, carrying 2 fuel tanks on the stub wings, was developed. The unit cost of the UH-60 models varies due to differences in specifications, equipment, and quantities. For example, the unit cost of the Army's UH 60-liter Black Hawk is $5.9 million, while the unit cost of the Air Force UH-60G Pave Hawk is $10.2 million. Hope you find this review helpful. Leave your comments and continue to support the U.S. Military Show channel. See you in the next video.